great being a lifeguard because there's so much responsibility. It is a hard job, but it's rewarding as well. When I was younger, I had a really good swim teacher, and I've always wanted to do lifeguarding since then. And when I left school, I did my lifeguard course and ended up working at Butlins while I was at college. If it rains at Butlins, there is still a lot of indoor activities that go on. There is the Splash Waterworld to go to. Lots of shows in the skyline, they're always happening. So there is always plenty to do. Splash is very important in a Butlins holiday. We have had a lot of guests say that it is one of the main attractions on resort. It's a great family activity for everyone to do. Splash Waterworld is a mixture of different pool areas like waves, rapids. It's certainly an eye-opener when you walk in. So much going on all the time. We've got different types of flumes, some with rafts, some that are faster and for kids. You've got the Master Blaster, the boat rides, then you've got the Space Bowl for more adrenaline junkies. You can easily spend 3 hours in there without noticing. We do have a lot of kids areas. There's the beach area, which is attached to the waves, but it is shallower. There's smaller toddler areas. We've got good family changing facilities, family cubicles or individual cubicles. The pools are always safe in Splash. At Butlins, you're looking at over 100 lifeguards. Lifeguards are important anywhere, but especially Butlins because it is a bigger pool. We're really there to maintain safety. We're always watching our pool. We do understand that guests are having a good time, so we always try to make it still as fun as we can. I want the guests to have a great experience when they come to Butlins. We all work together as a team. We all do ongoing training. As long as we're all on the same page, guests will get a better experience. And it's great to see that when they do tell us, that was great, it brightens your day up. Looking back, I think I made the best decision by wanting to be a lifeguard. If you sit back and think about what you actually do for a living, then yeah, it's something to feel proud of.